Hey guys, welcome back to the Hobby Dude 007 channel. Well, as the thumbnail says, we have a special guest tonight, and this stems from a purchase that was made in Salisbury, North Carolina at the swap meet this past February, as I recall. But this was something that was a great interest to this upcoming builder, and it's a pretty cool car. So let me introduce you to the builder and the project. And our special guest is, and for those of you who may not know, this is Hobby Dudette, Miss Amanda, my beautiful and awesome wife, who has been a big supporter of my hobby all these years, and she's just been great. And she is the one that kind of pushed me originally to start a channel to begin with, and I appreciate that very much because this has been a blast. Well, as I was saying in the opening, when we were at the Salisbury swap meet this past February, I believe it was, she saw a model that just got her attention, and the model was this 1950 Chevy pickup. And Amanda, tell us the inspiration behind this.
Okay, so as a small child, my dad had that pickup, and I remember fondly meeting him at the top of the driveway and getting to stand on the running board and ride down to the house. Of course, it seemed very exciting at the time, but we were only probably going 1 mile, 2 miles an hour. But anyway, brought back great memories.
Well, when she saw this, she's like, I would build that. I thought, ooh. And as we were watching this past weekend, the show from Acme, we were watching the models and we got some of the trucks, and she mentioned it. And I said, would you really build it? And she's like, you know what? Yeah, I want to build it. Now, our granddaughter actually is four models up on her, because our granddaughter, Zoe, as you know, has built models. She has never built a model. So this is going to be her first. So coming up, we will be doing a box opening. Let's see, we'll be doing, hey, you be thinking about your colors. If you want to make it a hot rod, stock,
okay, like
Dad's, or whatever, this is all up here in her head, and I'm going to let her pick everything. I will coach her, and I'll probably do a little bit of that on the channel, but I'm going to coach her. And as far as building it, I'm not doing it, guys. She's going to do it. She's going to see what we have to do. So she's going to learn a little lesson, and I can't say have a greater appreciation for it, because like I said, she comes out and sits with me sometimes and watches some of the stuff, and has been a big encouragement, whether it's to show, build, whatever it is. So we're going to let her just jump in and do that.
And that's okay.
So you be thinking about that.
Now,
but
guys,
I'm not building it.
You heard what he said, and it may be a glue bomb.
Oh, we can't have a glue bomb in this family.
Well, you're not touching it.
No, I'm not going to touch it. So, hey, but you know what? As long as you have fun, we have fun, and I got a feeling we'll all have fun watching her.
Oh, it might be funny. Now, I know my way around a sewing machine.
Oh, yeah. She has her own hobbies, too, and I've shared some of those with you, too, like the hot rod quilts and all that kind of stuff that she's done for me. So she's got some talents. She's got some gifts, and so I will coach her as I can. And like I said, coming up, oh, and by the way, if I didn't mention it, did I mention when you're going to debut it?
You said Acme next year.
The goal is, so there's no excuse for it not getting done. The goal for the debut is Acme of next year. But if it gets done before then, hey, that's great too. So we'll just have fun with that as well. So, guys, I tell you what, I'm going to do for her, because she doesn't know I do this sometimes, but or a lot of the content creators do this. Give her some thoughts on hot rod, how you might like to see it. That might help her out a little bit too. So look forward to hearing what you have to say. Anything in closing?
I would say Zoe may be chiming in on this too, so I guess we'll see.
Well, if there's any purple paint from Zoe's last one,
Oh, I
we
could use
might
her purple
list
paint. Yeah.
Oh, I don't know about that, but no, hey, be an encouragement as we need to always be to one another. Hey guys, we love you, we appreciate you, and we will see you in the next video, and may God richly bless. See you guys.
Good night.